Staying with the courts, the Johannesburg High Court, sitting in Palm Ridge, has found that Sifiso Mkhwanazi acted with premeditation when he killed 6 sex workers. The 21-year-old was earlier convicted of rape, murder and defeating the ends of justice. He attacked the women between April and October 2022 and hid their bodies at his father's panel beating workshop in downtown Johannesburg. Newzroom Afrika's Mnisi reports.
22 charges were brought against murderer and rapist Sifiso Mkhwanazi. And after evidence was laid in court, the presiding judge found that the 21-year-old acted with premeditation in the murder of 6 sex workers.
And find that the accused had acted with premeditation, planning, and had formed an intention to kill the deceased. Further, having due regard to the totality of the evidence before this court and the necessary inferences that may be drawn therefrom, I find that the accused did unlawfully have sexual intercourse with all the deceased. I further find that the accused did unlawfully and intentionally defeat and or obstruct the course of justice by concealing the bodies of the deceased, and which acts defeated and or obstructed the administration of justice.
Mkhwanazi was found guilty of rape, murder and defeating the ends of justice, amongst others. Between April and October 2022, he attacked sex workers and hid their bodies in his father's workshop in downtown Johannesburg. He was, however, acquitted on a charge of robbery with aggravating circumstances.
I have looked at the merits and demerits of this matter, coupled with the totality of the evidence before me, and accordingly reject the version of the accused as being false beyond reasonable doubt. I duly accept the evidence of the state witnesses. I further find that on a consideration of the totality of the evidence, the prosecution has discharged the onus to prove beyond reasonable doubt that the accused has committed the crimes as charged, save for the charge of robbery on count 20. On the other hand, the accused has failed to give an explanation of innocence which is reasonably possibly true, and his version is accordingly rejected as beyond false.
The National Prosecuting Authority has welcomed the judgment.
It is a reflection of the seriousness of the criminal justice system in combating gender-based violence and also in ensuring that the perpetrators of these reprehensible crimes are held accountable for their actions.
Judge Musa, through the agreement with both the state and the defense, has ordered that Mkhwanazi be sent for a psychiatric evaluation in order to determine whether or not he is a dangerous criminal. The outcomes of this evaluation will be tabled at the pre-sentencing proceedings set down for the 8th of May and will likely influence the kind of sentence that will be delivered at a later stage. For Newzroom Afrika on Channel 405, I'm Mnisi in Johannesburg.